What are we doing today?
Put in fog lights.
Bet. No, it's your boys' backyard builds. No, the Rsx 350Z. We got the little beast somewhere over there, but we can't show that right now. It's censored.
Yeah. All right. So what we're doing today is we are putting some holes for fog lights on a 06 Acura Rsx. We're gonna put some JDM fog lights.
Bet.
So let's come over here.
Who's the owner? Who's the owner right here?
Owner.
His name is Hector.
Hector, you know.
5K DC5 online.
Yeah,
5K.DC5 on Instagram.
Instagram, hit him up.
Follow your boy.
And then so what we're doing
We
is
basically got this side done already, but we're working on that side.
yeah. So basically what we're doing is we're just illustrating our own marks because you know it has a lot of stuff on it. So we gotta make sure it can fit because as you see right now it doesn't fit.
Because
So,
this is on this side, that's why.
And we're gonna be using a grinder made from metal, but you know if it does the job, it does the job.
Just send it. We just send it.
Send it.
Yes,
Fuck
sir.
it. Hey, watch out. Hold on.
You know how we do
Yes,
it.
sir.
Safety first.
Safety first, you know you gotta use some safety goggles.
Yes, sir.
See? Told you it does the grind job.
So what's next?
Alright.
We're just putting the holes in. We're putting the
Clean myself real quick.
And then we gotta make some other holes on this side so we can
bring
the fog light.
Is there
Right, get a sharpie.
so you see this? On these it illustrates what side it goes. So this is top. That would be top. And
Just push it in, yeah.
slide it in like sliding through DM.
Like that. That's right. And then you mark holes on this side right here. So that way you can bolt it on. So
We got the
pull
sharp.
out.
Very fucking useful. Yes, sir.
You can also use a black Sharpie, you know, because Black Lives Matter. But yeah.
This dude.
I'm joking. You might want to cut that part
We
out.
got the holes on this side, by the way.
Shit. Cool.
So now they're just putting on the bolts for the assembly.
No, grab the bag. It should be normal in there.
Real easy job.
To do it yourself. Do it
12-year-old
yourself.
could probably do it.
But
Not
these
literally.
tools are strictly for
Yeah.
before we're
That's right. That's right.
16.
The age
That's a
of
fact.
15.
That's a fact.
Alright, hold on. So meanwhile, he was doing that. We put 2 bolts in on this side already. No, strong and firm. But you gotta tighten them down. And these 2 bolts down here is the ones we mark with the Sharpie. And yep, we'll be back when
Back on the car.
what's back on the car.
Yes, sir.
Oh!
Good game, bro.
Nigga!
Good game. Good game.
Why the other light bulb didn't turn on?
So Right now we're making sure the connections are connected right. As you guys can see, this side is not on. This side is.
Is that on you?
Not yet, bro.
Oh, I'm pretty sure I know why. Disconnect. Yeah, disconnect and pop it out of the hole, bro. I'll pop the fog light itself. Maybe this one's fucked.
Just twist it.
I heard it ringing the other day, like. You see it? Here.
So we ran into a problem.
Oh, it doesn't have the middle connector
Yeah.
for these.
Yeah, it doesn't have it.
Yeah. So we're gonna have to install a new pigtail.
I got one in the back. Hold up.
Come in handy when you don't gotta go to O'Reilly's. So please explain what you guys are doing right now. Cause
I'm just gonna splice them together.
Okay, look, come zoom into this.
You guys just cutting this off and then.
You see, on this side, it's missing the middle connector,
brown connector.
so it can make. Cut the clip.
I did it.
Yeah, this is busy.
No, it's still.
Okay.
So this side is missing a middle connector for the bulb, so it's not making contact with the. I believe that's power, but the ground does have. So what we're gonna do is we don't want to wire this whole new harness on it, so we're gonna cut this. Want to cut this harness and just
Splice them back together.
yeah, basically probably solder it maybe.
So finally we fixed the pigtail. And our fog lights should both turn on at the same time. Send it. Yes, sir.
There you go.
Yes, sir. Good
Oh,
job.
yep.
Good job, fellas.
Oh, yup.
Good job, fellas. Behind the scene action, this guy cannot put a fucking bolt on. Hector, can you please explain yourself?
What the
Look
fuck?
at this boy. You about to get ran over.
I'm a hunch your ass if I. Oh shit! Fuck! Oh, that was a pull. Here it is. Hey, this is your flashlight.
Return signal.
So there you go, guys. We finally finished the install.
I turn the key for this.
Denny, any words?
Do it yourself at home. Backyard builds. You heard?
Pretty easy. You heard? And we got some more footage for you guys. We actually gonna put some. We gonna install some of my SI. So stay tuned, guys.